Many of Utah's iconic arches, towers, and fins are located beyond the entrances of national parks and come with attendance crowds, fees, and traffic. Not so with Wilson Arch, an elegant sandstone feature that sits along Highway 191 south of Moab. The pullout, located less than a mile south of the La Salle Junction, is well marked. This large Entrada sandstone arch, which was named after a Dry Valley pioneer named Joe Wilson, is accessible by an easy scramble up red dirt. If you don't have the time or energy to hike up to the arch, the view from the pull-off is pretty spectacular. The sandstone structure frames the blue Utah sky in a picture-perfect fashion. As always, sit back, relax, and enjoy today's Utah hiking adventure.
Welcome everybody to Wilson Arch. We've just left Arches National Park to Moab, had some lunch, and on our way to Cortez, Colorado, we made a stop here along the side of the road, and sure are very happy that we did. Look at this thing. Just beautiful. Next stop, Cortez.
welcome back to Colorado. We are currently in the town of Cortez, Colorado, and we are staying at the Holiday Inn Express here. And it was actually pretty reasonable, guys. It was only like 130 bucks a night, and it's a pretty standard room. So just a 2-queen bed room. I'm gonna show you guys this room tour really quickly. So this is right in the heart of Cortez, Colorado. It's a small town surrounded by mountains here. It's really close to our next stop on this awesome adventure we're going on out west this year, which is, of course, Mesa Verde National Park. So we're gonna start off here with the little kitchen sink area. It's really nice too. This hotel's it's a little dated, but it's really nice. It's nice and clean and organized. So we got the 2 queen beds over here. And then what's nice about this hotel too is that you get the views of the mountains. I'll show you that really quickly. You get the views of the mountains in the background. And those mountains are really nice. I'm gonna take the drone up later and try to get some better shots. All right, so over here, of course, you have the Keurig and all the breakfast blends, which is always a nice touch. Over here, we got some extra cups. Looks like an ice box. We got the microwave down here. And let's see, yep, we're all good there. Over here we got a little mini fridge, which is nice. There we go. Let's see, anything in here? Nope. We got 3 drawers there for storage, although we're only gonna be here one night, just for the night. We also have some nice artwork on the wall there. Beautiful. So yeah, this is really oh, you know what? I'm gonna check this over here. We also have a little iHome for what's it called, playing some music and stuff and listening to the radio. That's cool. These are other big drawers here. And let me also show you this over here. We also have, of course, an ironing board. There's a hair dryer. You can iron your clothes, but we're not going to do that. And we also have a little standard bathroom here too. And I always like how they fold the towels too into triangles. That's cool. And of course, this is the shower. Pretty nice. So yeah, guys, this is our hotel that we're gonna be staying at just for the night. And then tomorrow, which is Tuesday, we're gonna travel to Mesa Verde National Park. And then afterwards, we are going to pretty much drive. We're gonna go to Four Corners National Monument. We're also going to do a scenic drive through the famous Monument Valley. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's a place that I've always wanted to travel to. So thank you all so much for watching this action-packed day, and stay tuned for more content coming soon. All right, guys, let's go check out the pool. Oh wow, it's warm. Ooh. Oh, we have the whole place to ourselves. Oh my God, look at this. Now this is what I call a vacation, guys. Wow. It's beautiful, isn't it? I tell you what, this feels like the Caribbean in here. All right, guys, we're gonna go swim, and I'll check back in with you later.